So just this day I've arrived to Nam Tu Island and I've yet to rent a motorbike. So this is what we're gonna do today. Let's go! As you can see, this is our first tourist attraction, the landfill of garbage. I mean, considering that this island doesn't has a proper garbage disposable treatment, I would say. So this is how they dispose their trash, by burning them in one area. And I'm welcomed by this first so-called attraction, but I'm sure along the way we'll find out more interesting and more amazing sights. And at this second stop here we have at one of the beaches. Just look at the turquoise water. It's insanely turquoise and almost like a transparent color. Let's head down there to find out what's the name of this beach. The name of the beach is Bai Chey Men, and it's the most prominent beach as you ride along the coast of Nam Tu Island. I came across a couple of shops and restaurants, and most of the time just beside the restaurants or shops there will often be simple designed shelter. I believe that's where they would live in, so you can imagine living the life in a slow paced environment here. So right behind me is this village called Bai Chey Village, and it's probably where I'm going to end up staying, as 90% of the local market, seafood restaurants as well as the accommodations are located over there. Somewhere there, over there, in this village, somewhere there. Basically this island isn't really big. It took me probably an hour or so, including stopping by to take some photos, some drone shots, some B-rolls of this beautiful island, including the turquoise beach over there. It's insane, it's crazy, it's just a beautiful, wonderful island. So as of now in this island, after exploring around, I've not seen any Western food. They only sell either local noodles, which is pho, or rice. And in the end, what I've ordered is white rice and with pork, and as well as some mixed carrots. During the afternoon, I went to explore this island further and film the life of the locals, which was an eye-opener. Good morning guys. So the plan for today is going to be pretty interesting. I'll be heading out to two other islands. It's going to be called Hoang Gia and Hoang Mao Island. This is a place where I bought my tickets. It's 150,000 per person for the afternoon session, and I think it includes a soup on the way back. And in the morning it's going to be double the price. It's going to be 300,000 because we will be eating seafood outside in the morning, but I don't think I'm too keen on that. But anyway, nevertheless, I just can't wait to head down to the ocean and snorkel and see some corals.